I am Dr. John Onobogo, founder of CyberNova Academy, empowering the next generation of tech leaders. Our journey with CyberNova Academy started with a simple belief that everyone deserves access to practical, hands-on tech education, no matter their background or experience. My years in academia and tech industry, I realized the missing link was real hands-on experience. That is why CyberNova Academy was created to give learners that real enterprise environment, real tools, real mentorship, and using the same enterprise technologies that employers use in their workplace. So if you are ready to learn by doing, I invite you to join CyberNova Academy. Together, we'll launch your tech career and your future. Get skilled, get real world hands-on experience, get mentored, and get hired.